Hi, everybody. I miss you all so much, and I can't wait to be back in school with you all. But I hope you're all doing well, and I know every one of you is doing such a good job at doing your schoolwork at home. So it's just made me so proud and so happy to be your teacher. I hope moms and dads are doing a good fill-in job for Miss Walsh, and I hope you're helping them along the way. So today is Monday, and it's the start of a new week and also the start of a new month. So it's the 1st of February, and that means in Ireland it's the first day of spring as well. So hopefully the weather will start getting a little bit nicer. I know it's raining today, but um, spring might bring some warmer weather and brighter days. So we'll have to keep our eye out for some spring, some changes when you go for your walks outside, because it's important to get out and get that fresh air and makes you feel so good after. And we know February is the shortest month. There's only 28 days in February. And it's a nice month. There's some nice things to celebrate. There's Pancake Day, and we all love pancakes. And there's Valentine's Day, and that's also Lily's sister's birthday. And so lots of nice things to look forward to. And hopefully we'll be back in school soon. So the 1st of February is actually also St. Bridget's Day. So I'm going to explain a little bit about that now and read you a story about St. Bridget. So who is St. Bridget? St. Bridget is a patron saint of Ireland. She helps the poor and sick people. Her feast day is celebrated on the 1st of February. So that is when we remember St. Bridget, on the 1st of February, and we celebrate this. So in this picture, you can see Bridget's cloak. Look at all the beautiful colours. And now I'm going to start the story. St. Bridget's cloak. Bridget was a nun. She spent her days praying to God. She looked after poor people and cared for the sick. Other girls came to help her regularly, so often. Bridget dreamed of building a church. She had neither land nor money to buy any. However, she came up with an idea. Bridget told her father that she planned to tell the king of her wish to build a church. She wanted to ask the king for land to build the church. Her father laughed at her plan. He told Bridget that the king was a very mean man and he would never help her. Ignoring what her father had told her, Bridget and her friends went to visit the king. She told him of her plan and he laughed at Bridget. The king showed Bridget all of his land. I would not even give you a blade of this grass, said the king. He's very mean and selfish. Bridget was very sad. That night she prayed to God to make the king a kind man. The next day Bridget went back to visit the king again. Will you give me as much land as my cloak can cover? She asked. Again, the king laughed at Bridget. You can have whatever land your cloak can cover, but it will be of no use to you, he said. Bridget put her cloak on the ground. Suddenly, the cloak began to grow and grow. Stop! Stop now! Exclaimed the king. He couldn't believe what was happening. Before long, the cloak had covered enough land to build the church. The king fell to the ground. He vowed to help Bridget in any way he could from that day on. He wanted to help the poor and sick especially. Bridget was able to build her church on the land. She was very happy. And that's the end of the story. Have a think about what your favourite part was. Mine was when the cloak began to grow and grow. That's the end of the story. And I'm going to send St. Bridget's song as well if you'd like to listen to that. Have a lovely day, girls, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.